think attending ECC was really important for me. I came in not knowing what I wanted to do, so sort of having a freedom to be able to take so many different classes was really important for me to sort of figure things out. Because I think I was here for a few years before I really got down the path that I wound up graduating with. To be inspired to give back to the ECC community for me involves taking the steps that I had as a student here and sort of the people to look up to, the students to look up to, the teachers to look up to, and sort of see that what you want to do with your life is possible. And so, seeing people graduate before me and go on to graduate school and to go on to become teachers themselves has been really important to see that, I can do that too. I feel honored to be recognized, and, I feel like I'm still at a point in my career where it's sort of like, why me at this point, But it's one of those things that I feel like helps remind me that I'm on the right path and reminds me that, where I started to where I am now. And so, yeah, it means a lot, but also for me, it reflects on the teachers, it reflects on the facilities, it reflects on the people I was fortunate to go to school here with and are still friends with. So, it means a lot.